Trojan Win32 Rhadamanthys is a detection of Microsoft Defenders that you can see popping up in the system. It normally flags the malicious programs that aims at stealing user accounts and cryptocurrency from the infected system. At the same time, there are reports about it being a false positive detection. In this video, I will explain how to understand whether the malware is active and how to remove it from the system. In normal situations, Trojan Win32 Rhadamanthys flags spyware or an infosteal malware. Rhadamanthys is a name of a malicious program that has become enormously widespread over the last few years. It is known for its evasive behavior and wide functionality. The signatures that are used to detect this malware are not very reliable, which leaves plenty of room for incorrect detections, but we will get back to it later. Typical symptoms of such malware appear with a delay of 2 or 3 days after the infection, even though the malware does its dirty job immediately after being injected into the system. It just takes several days for hackers to start abusing the leaked account. Most definite signs of this are your online accounts being inaccessible due to the incorrect password, or hundreds of spam messages being sent from your account to all the people you've ever had a conversation with. There is also a possibility of this detection being a false positive. As I said, rules used for this detection are not highly reliable. If the defender cannot find the digital certificate of the file or it is expired, it can indicate the file as dangerous, as a lot of functions and calls that normal programs use also appear in malware. The certificate in this case is the only way to distinguish between good and bad. But how to understand whether you should worry about the Trojan Win32 Rhadamanthys detection or not? Manual analysis may be complicated, especially since malicious programs can sometimes mix their files with legit applications. For that reason, I recommend running a second opinion scan with Rhadamanthys and Malware. It will quickly reveal whether there is any threat to your system or not. Download it by the link in the video description and run a full scan, so the program will go through all the system elements, down to configuration files and hidden folders. The scan will take around 15 minutes. After the scan, click the Clean Now button to remove the detected malware. If no detections appear during the scan, then you have likely seen a false positive detection. But when there are malicious programs, I would recommend you to reset all the passwords that you have in the system. This way, cybercriminals will not be able to use the leaked credentials. In any case, good luck and stay safe online.